Hi guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to delete your Discord server in a few easy steps. So just make sure you watch this video all the way till the end to learn how. I promise you it's not complicated, it's easy and simple. So here is how. Just at first click on your server's name here, and then it appears this window. Just click on server settings, and from here you can change the Discord picture, you can change the Discord name, you can change the Discord region also too, but as you can see here with the red font is right at delete server. So just click on it, we want to delete the server, right? So now as you can see here, are you sure you want to delete the make server? This action cannot be undone. Enter server name. So yeah, does mean you must to put your server's name. So just put it here, the Hotkeys server, like this. Delete server. Just let's move the space, and as you can see now our server is gone. Just if you and one more thing for last, you should tell the reason why you did that. Let's say this. Yeah, that was it. How to delete your Discord server in a few easy steps. I promised you it was easy and simple, not complicated. So if I helped you out, just you can give a like, and also don't be hesitant to leave a comment below the video in the comments, and I'll try to answer in a few days if I can. Yep. And see you next video. Bye.